Hi everyone, today's makeup look is the one and only Joker. So first things first, paint your face white. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using this Kryolan palette. So with a very bright blue, you want to paint those little triangles on your eyes. I am taking this a little bit higher than what it is in the movie, but I wanted to cover up my eyebrows a little bit more. Then I'm adding black body paint with a pencil brush, just to give the eyes a little bit more oomph. And then to set that, I'm using black shadow and a fluffy brush, smudging that all over the place to make it look less like a smoky eye and more just like dirty. And then I'm finishing off the eyes with some black kohl liner in my waterline. For the lips, I'm using red body paint. You can use just lipstick if you prefer. So starting with my actual lips shade, and then I'm drawing out a nice big smile. I'm also adding a little bit of brown in the outer corners just to give a little bit more depth. Paint a cute little red nose. And those weird red eyebrows. And I'm naked. So I decided to paint the costume on. It's just a red jacket. I'm using body paint, of course. With a bit of brown, I'm doing lots and lots of shading. Had friends on, so having a good time. Then I'm adding a teeny tiny bit of black. Blending with some more red shadow. Then I'm painting that yellow vest thing. Everything is a little bit higher than where it should be because I am a woman and this is a family show. So paint that shirt and you're done.